What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Nails are snatch. So happy with the way they look. Oh my god. So today's video, you guys already know from the title, I am all dressed up to go to Ikea. These days I can't work out much because I've broken my wrist. Well, that was being too dramatic. Not broken, but sprained it. And I can't really do much of workouts other than just using my legs and running. So I'm all free, and I needed to buy like a planter for like something in the background here, because I feel like every time I make videos, like this area is very plain without anything. Usually I keep my tripods there, but I can move the tripods to the other room or something and then keep some nice plants. So the background actually looks a little bit prettier. So the last time I got a bunch of houseplants and stuff, I got it from Westside. Westside Home has like really nice fake plants. But this time I decided to check out Ikea because they didn't have, like Westside didn't have a whole lot of collection, which Ikea does. So I'm really excited, and that's where I'm heading. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe, please. It's free. Why do I always do that with my sunglasses? It fucked up my hair. Look at this. I really didn't get time to eat lunch, so I carried the Jif to go crunchy peanut butter, but I forgot to get a spoon, and I also forgot my tripod, by the way, which is very stupid of me, but I did. So we're gonna lick this clean. It's so yummy. It's like so convenient. I'm gonna eat something at Ikea, probably their meatballs or something. But look how delicious. Now, let's see. There's still a line. I was hoping that this place would be empty right now, but it's not. He already is. He didn't even wait for me. He's so rude. Jesus Christ. Like his meatballs were dying or going away somewhere. Now he's pretending to wait over there. Hi. These lights are so pretty. And this is the cafeteria. We're gonna go get some food. We come to Ikea and this is the first thing we're doing. We're getting food. These are all food trolleys. Look at the amount of food that's here. I already ate that rasgulla, by the way. It's chicken tikka curry, rice, chicken nuggets, breads, that's salmon. This is all for 2 fucking people. And one more, you got the meatball. So the salmon curry is really, really, really good. How's your meatball?
Very good.
It doesn't look that appetizing, by the way, to me.
The Swedish food is.
But this is bomb. Look at how cinematic this cheesecake is. Let me move it a little. With the cream. No, it's the jam, sorry. And the hairy hands. You send your dirty food trays away. Let's go. Finally. Furniture section. The annoying thing about Ikea is that you have to cross through every section to get to buying the stuff. Actually, not really. Oh, this bedsheet looks really nice. Let's see.
दिया क्या करूँ वो बता नहीं रहा है.
Right, right. Do you think this is nice? Kind of looks like cherry blossom. They have like so much shit. So if you want these, I need one of these for my dresser to put my skincare and stuff. There are more plants. Oh, that's cute. They have more artificial plant. This is what I'm looking for. This vase. What do you call it? Vase. Vase. It's, you can't buy it from here. This is for the show thing. The worst thing about Ikea is that they make you... Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We can't find like an outlet. See, follow the arrows.
That will take you back where we came.
Oh. Anyways, so they'll make you like see everything, like their kids, their furniture, their everything, and then you can go down to the section that you can actually buy things. Here, they just like keep everything as like a showpiece to see what they actually look like, and you can imagine stuff in your head of the things that you see here. So yeah, we're just literally going in circles, and I've eaten so much my stomach is about to explode. Okay, so this is finally the lower section. I need some hangers. I always need hangers. Like, I never have enough of these in my life. That goes in. And like kitchen items here. You really put that in there? You're supposed to change everything and put it in the big one.
I don't know. I have a cold.
You have a cold, right? Oh, I needed some useless things. These would be perfect to bake things in. But do I bake? No. What useless thing can I buy? Oh my god, look at these pots and pans, they're so cute. They're all pink. Oh, this is a cute one. And then they have more useless kitchen stuff here that I'm not interested in. So let's move on to finding plants. This is the linen section. You'll find curtains, cushions, yeah, basically cushions, curtains, everything linen, bedded linen, I guess. They also have bed sheets and stuff, and there are more curtains here. See how they have them in display as well? Cute. This blue thing is cute. They have silver top duvet. Like, I love these prints. Oh my god, they're so pretty.
How
There are
is this
more.
for like just $9.79?
Where? Duvet cover and 2 pillowcases. This is just the cover. इसको cover किसी और पे कर सकते हो.
जैसे बॉम्बे में इतनी गर्मी है कि यही काफी.
नहीं, हाँ देखो ये नीचे. People, we're finally moving on from, there's still more rugs, and then this is for your poo-poo requirement, like everything toilet related. This whole section is basically office organizers and stuff. And then this side is lighting. You can find all kinds of lightings. Really not all kinds, they have very limited collection. And this is all like floor rugs that you can buy. They have a huge selection of floor rugs. Look, they're like everywhere. Everywhere, guys, everywhere. Guys, we're getting close to why we came to Ikea today, okay?
Finally abandoning the cart and food.
No, we're not doing that.
That's what's gonna happen if you don't move it.
This is so cute. Right? Here they have paintings, all kinds of mirrors. And now we enter why we have come to Ikea today. For fake plants. This is what I needed. Dropping everything.
Where can you buy it?
Coming all the way to Ikea for fake plants that I needed for the video background. They don't have the one I'm looking for. That's sad. I have all these, but they don't have the ones I'm looking for. I want like stands that are only at West Side, and they have the regular pots here. Scream at me, but they don't have the ones with the stands. So they have these. I want this like opposite my dresser, like this plant. But because it's so low, I don't think this is gonna work out.
Don't buy it.
So I have to go to West Side.
You have to go to Masjid, that's where you need to.
They have these balls here as well.
You're breaking them.
So what?
Dude, you can just buy like flowers every day.
You haven't gotten me fucking flowers in 7 years. Buy flowers every day. Okay, let's take this. Is that too pink? But there's nothing called too pink. TV ke side ke liye. I know what I'm buying. Let's go. The last portion or section of Ikea where whatever furniture you pick, they're all there. Stacked up, so you better write down the number while you're like buying or seeing or liking stuff upstairs to come check out the numbers here. Or you could just make your life easy and shop online. And this is the exit and the billing counter. Look, this makes me miss Costco. Kind of gives me like Costco vibes. But all in all, oh my god, look at this. Look at this, look at this. This is crazy. All in all, this place just tires me every time. Okay, seriously, I came to Ikea to buy those potted like standing planters. I don't know if you can, I'm gonna put the picture somewhere here, okay, just for you, just as a reference so that you guys understand what it is. But mera pura trip bekar gaya and I picked random bullshit. I mean, I kind of needed flowers and stuff, but I could have just picked them from West Side. And I'm extremely tired. My legs hurt from fucking walking for nothing. But anyways, what I came here for I didn't get. It's kind of sad. But I'm gonna just buy that from West Side because I know they have food stuff here as well, like coffee, croissant, samosas, all of that. Because you know, you're famished from walking so much. And with this, guys, I'm going to end the vlog here. You'll have to pack everything yourself. You have to register. very tired from just walking uselessly and aimlessly, trying to find the stuff that I really came here for, but then didn't find it. So we're just at the billing, and then we're gonna go home. My head hurts.
Do you remember where we found the car?
No, I don't remember anything. Oh, I have a migraine from tying my hair up. So, don't ever do it. So while we were done paying, I removed my mask. And then the guard was like, "Madam, आपका mask कहाँ है?" मैंने बोला अंदर गिर गया. जाओ ढूंढ के लाओ. He didn't have any comeback. He was like, क्या बोलूं? क्या बोलूं इसे मैं? Mask अंदर गिर गया. Should I really send her inside to look for a mask in Ikea, or just let her go? So he let me go. I had the mask on for 2 hours. I couldn't breathe. I'm triple vaccinated, so I don't really care about the mask anymore at this point. Where the fuck is the car? Okay, so now that I'm home, I quickly want to show you guys everything that I got. Well, first is this napkin holder. It's really pretty. It goes with the vibe of the living room and the dining room. Everything in the house is pretty much gold. This is what the napkin holder looks like, and the napkin goes inside like this. Then I got some pink bowls. This is what they look like. I kind of like the depth of this, where I can have like oatmeal and eggs and everything, and just kind of just is not super deep, but deep enough. Then I got some flowers, fake, everything's fake. I got some hanging plants. I got 2 of those. There you go. More of these. Got another plant, which kind of looks like 2 cups, coffee cups. They're so pretty, clean and white. So got those. Then I got this little vase. I don't know what you call them. I'm always confused. For these 3 mini plants to go in. It just looks so pretty, minus the tags right now. But yeah, they're so cute in general. I got some more plants and a pot for it, like this. This is how it goes. I got this. I actually have one of this in my room already, but this is for product empties. All my empty, like, bottles and stuff for my product empties, I used to keep it in a bira bucket. If you guys must have seen my product empties, but during the home renovations I kind of lost it. I don't know where it went, so I think this is perfect. Hangers, I always need hangers. Then a double bed sheet. The print is really nice. Then these bunch of flowers. This is so pretty, and this is the prettiest actually. My god, how stunning is this vase vase? And I'm gonna put these flowers inside. I think they go perfectly. The last one is for my dresser, the top of my dresser, where I could just, my everyday essential for my skincare. Yeah, so that's all that I got, and this was a quick Ikea haul. Guys, this is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog and also this mini haul of all the stuff I got from Ikea. Ikea is a fun store, but I think I would rather shop everything online instead of going to the store. They have their app, they have online 30-day return policy, so that way they're very lenient, and it's cooler to do that instead of going to the store, unless you're a store person and you like going there. I don't. I mostly went there for the planters because I don't understand 19 centimeters and 24 centimeters, so I really needed to like visualize and see in real what like the heights were. For the store is huge, it's very tiring, it has a lot of people, and well, today it wasn't that bad, but it's still tiring. Okay, that's all. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.